Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about a very magical time of the year. Yule, a holiday celebrated by Wiccans and many other pagans around the world. The origins of Yule go back to ancient seasonal festivals marking the Winter Solstice, the longest night of the year, and the return of the sun. In Wicca, Yule is one of the 8 Shabbats or seasonal festivals that mark the turning of the wheel of the year. But how do Wiccans celebrate Yule today? There are many different traditions and practices, but here are some common ways that Wiccans might celebrate this sacred time. But first let's start to show you an example of how a month during Yule can look like. Week 1, December 1st to 7th. Cleanse your home with salt and herbal smoke to prepare for the winter solstice. Take a meditative walk in nature to connect with the elements and reflect on the year. Week 2, December 8th to 14th. Set up your Yule altar including symbols of the season such as holly, ivy, and mistletoe. Decorate your home with Yule-themed objects such as candles, wreaths, and ornaments. Week 3, December 15th to 21st. Create a Yule log and decorate it with symbols of your intentions for the coming year. Perform a ritual to honor the winter solstice and the return of the sun. Week 4, December 22nd to 28th. Spend time with loved ones and exchange Yule gifts. Perform a ritual to release old patterns and make space for new beginnings. Week 5, December 29th to 31st. Set your intentions for the new year and create a vision board for the coming months. Close the month with a celebratory ritual and honor the journey of the past year. If you are just at the beginning of your journey, you may not be familiar with all this, that's why we have simplified it for you. Evergreen Wreath. Explore the beauty and symbolism of evergreens by creating an exquisite wreath or even a solstice bush. Incorporating yew, holly, pine, mistletoe, and ivy into your displays will represent everlasting life, protection, and prosperity. Wondering why we use these evergreens? Not only are they seasonally appropriate, but the yew tree is celebrated for its links to eternity and reincarnation. Holly and ivy are believed to banish negative vibes, pine is known for its healing powers, while mistletoe brings abundance and fertility. Bring the magic of the holidays into your home with this unique, ethereal decoration. Light a Yule log. Enhance the warm, cozy atmosphere of your home with a beautiful oak log adorned with pine cones, dried berries, cinnamon sticks, holly, and mistletoe. Place it in your fireplace, or start a bonfire outside if you prefer. Performing the Yule log burning ritual symbolizes leaving behind the old and making way for new beginnings in the coming year. It's a powerful way to embrace the return of the sun and the increasing light that comes with it. If a fireplace or fire pit is not possible, try playing a relaxing video such as Netflix's Fireplace for your home instead. A Yule feast. Indulging in delicious food has been a long-standing tradition during the winter solstice, as people come together to celebrate life amidst the darkness, bond with others, and find comfort. Make sure to include traditional winter foods like roast meats, root vegetables, and mulled wine. You can stick to a traditional feast or prepare your favorite foods, with extra points for utilizing locally sourced winter produce. Elevate the celebration into a party by requesting guests to bring along unwanted items, wrap them up, and leave them in a pile. It'll be a fun surprise for everyone to choose a gift to take home. A wishing ritual. Reflecting and setting intentions for the new year is an important practice for many during the Yule season. As a Wiccan, you may choose to light a candle and speak your resolutions out loud, calling upon the energy of the season to help manifest your goals. As the candle burns down, spend time visualizing your ambitions and the positive outcomes. Allow yourself to daydream about living this new lifestyle, feeling the emotions that come with it. Afterward, take some time to write down actionable steps to help make your dreams a reality. You can also consider performing a ritual or spell with the intention of manifesting your goals for the new year. This can include using herbs, crystals, and other tools to help bring your desires into fruition. Declutter your space. Yule, the winter solstice, symbolizes releasing the old to make way for the new, making it a perfect time for Yuletide cleaning. After finishing the physical cleaning, spiritually cleanse your home to rid it of negative energy. Smoke cleansing with pine needles and mistletoe can be an effective way of doing this. Lighting candles. Candles are often used in Yule rituals as a symbol of the returning light. Solstice sunrise/sunset ritual. Watch the sunrise or sunset on the solstice and take the time to reflect on the changing season and the passing year. Creating a Yule altar. Many Wiccans create special Yule altars with candles, greenery, and symbols of the season such as pine cones and deer antlers. Giving back. Charitable giving and volunteering are an important part of many Yule celebrations, as Wiccans believe in the importance of balance and harmony in all things. Divination. Yule is a powerful time for divination and seeking guidance for the coming year. Nature walks. Take a quiet walk in nature to connect with the changing season and the natural world. Meditation. Take time to meditate on the meaning of the season and how you can use the energy of the solstice to manifest your desires in the coming year. Making offerings. Offerings might be made to the gods and goddesses of the Wiccans tradition, thanking them for the gifts of the season. Thank you for watching this video, and we wish you a blessed Yule. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content about Wicca and other spiritual topics. Let us know in the comments how you celebrate Yule.